first graders. It's Mrs. Rice and special guest star today, Hershey, who's going to be helping us read chapter 7 an afternoon on the Amazon. He is so excited. He loves the sound of my voice and loves hearing me read. So he's really excited about this read aloud today. Chapter 7, you can use your copy. You can use the copy that I attached in the Google Slides for you to follow along. Here we go. Chapter 7. Before I start reading, I just want to remind you, the last thing that we read was that the monkey in chapter 6 actually was very helpful. The monkey helped Jack and Annie get back to shore because remember, they couldn't get to shore. They had lost their paddles and they were surrounded by piranha, crocodile, and snakes. And so they were having trouble getting back to the shore, getting back to land. And there was a monkey that gave them a stick. It ended up being very, very helpful. Here we go, chapter 7. Jack and Annie jumped out of the canoe. The rain was starting to fall harder. The monkey took off. He swung from tree to tree, heading up the riverbank. He screeched and beckoned to Jack and Annie. He wants us to follow him, said Annie. No, we have to find the special thing, then go home, said Jack. He wants to help us, said Annie. She took off after the monkey. The two of them vanished into the rainforest. Annie! Thunder shook the sky. Oh, brother, said Jack. He dashed after Annie and the monkey into the dark forest. The forest seemed surprisingly dry. Jack looked up. It was still raining, but the treetops acted like a huge umbrella. Annie, called Jack. Jack, Jack, cried Annie. Where are you? Here. Jack hurried into the direction of Annie's voice. Soon he found the monkey. He was screeching and swinging from a tree. Annie was kneeling on the forest floor. She was playing with an animal that looked like a giant kitten. What's that? Jack said. I don't know, but I love it, said Annie. Annie batted the animal's paws. It had gold fur and black spots. I better find out what it is, said Jack. He pulled out the rainforest book and flipped through it. Oh, it's so cute, said Annie. Jack found a picture of an animal with gold fur and black spots. He read, the jaguar is the biggest predator in the Western Hemisphere. Forget cute, Jack said. That must be a baby jaguar. It's going to grow up and be the biggest predator in... What's a predator? Asked Annie. Grrr. There was a terrible growl. Jack whirled around. I don't know. Was that you, Hershey? Did you make that growl? I think it's a rainforest animal. The mother jaguar was climbing out from behind a tree. She was creeping over the dead leaves right toward Annie. Freeze, whispered Jack. Annie froze, but the jaguar kept moving slowly toward her. Help, said Jack weakly. Suddenly, the monkey swooped down from his tree. He grabbed the jaguar's tail. The cat roared and spun around. Annie jumped up. The monkey pulled the jaguar's tail again, then he let go and took off. The jaguar sprang after him. Run, Annie, cried Jack. Jack and Annie took off through the rainforest. They ran for their lives. That monkey got them out of trouble a second time. First when they were in the water, and the second time with the mother jaguar that saw Jack and Annie near her baby, near her cub. All right, friends, tune in for chapter 8 tomorrow, Vampire Bats. Make it a great day.